Keiko family, maraming salamat po sa family guys. Miss Joy, Miss Van sa aming VP. And to our President, Mr. Paul V, thank you so much. Ayan, sa lahat po ng pumupuno ng Philippines, maraming salamat po. And we are really looking forward to be having more events and opportunities with you guys.
Yeah, magpapasalamat din po kami sa Filipinas Collectibles and Antique Society.
Yes, tama yun.
At sa lahat po na nag-participate dito sa Collectibles and Antique Society. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
And of course, sana po mag-stream niyo po ang aming first ever full-length album, and it's out now on all digital streaming platforms. You can search Talayak on Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, and select po ng streaming platforms. And of course, sa aming social media accounts, you can search _ASTEROFC. Again, you can search _ASTEROFC. And on August 30, Craig, ano meron sa August 30 natin, Bugso?
Yes, guys, on August 30 we have our first fan concert. Well, it's a fan concert.
Yeah.
It's a fan concert, not a concert. So yeah, it's our basically it's like our fan concert, and it's entitled Starbound Aster Fan Con 2025. Kaya I really hope you guys will go there and bumili na kayo ng mga tickets kasi
It's available. It's available.
sa Economic Events and Concerts.
Pwede niyo pong lapitan si Miss Aria. Pwede po tayong magtaas ng kamay, Ate Aria.
Ate Aria!
And admit po na official. And of course, you can search po, nasa social media accounts naman po namin yung mga tickets. And you can buy tickets online and physically kay Miss Aria po. Maraming salamat.
Sa mga nagka-crave dyan ng creams, of course you don't. You guys should buy it. It's already on Landmark Supermarkets. It's also in Pure Gold. And nasa mga TikTok shop na yan. Kaya mag-check out na kayo, guys.
Yeah, pwede na i-stock yung TikTok accounts namin kasi nandun lahat ng mga
Nasa yun, sounds good.
Yeah.
And, once again, we move and shine. Pamiyang,
Aster, salamat po!
Thank you, guys! Thank you so much po.